This video is truly special. It might change your entire mind about who you are as a person, and it's really gonna let you know if you're a music artist. Because music artists, they're not normal. I'm about to show you the difference between a music artist that is getting millions of streams a week and is loved by millions of people, and an artist who barely scratches the surface and eventually gives up in music and becomes a normal person who deep down is unhappy and never feels fulfilled in life. This could be a big perspective change for you, okay? Because that's the absolute worst if you know really truly that you are a creative artist. Because if you are making music, you are not normal. And I don't know if you realize this or not, but not everyone is capable of making music.
This is not about music!
Most people's brains are primarily logic-sided. The creative side of those people's brains do not function like yours and mine as music artists. They cannot create like we can. Their brains do not work to the level that ours do when it comes to creativity. I'm serious. You're gonna feel special if you're really a music artist. And that's why they seem more normal and they get along with other people better in life, at school, or work. That's why it's easier for them to hold conversations. It's why they don't feel awkward or public fear or the anxiety that we feel.
Hey!
Right? They have better relationships with people. They have more friends than me and you. They fit into society better. And that's because their brains are wired like that. See, but me and you, we are not normal. Artists are not normal. We are too creative to be normal. Yet if you're like me, you made the mistake your whole life trying to fit in. Yet for some reason, you never did. I'm about to tell you what took me over 10 years to learn. You never seem to fit in no matter how hard you try. Because you're not like them. You're not made to be like them because you're not normal. If this sounds familiar, it's probably because you were made to do music or something along those lines that's creative in your life. And that's also probably why you hate and can't stand working at your day job right now. Help! Because creative people don't have an outlet for themselves when they work doing non-creative jobs. Think about it. I've had over 30 day jobs. It's tattooed on my arm. I got fired or quit every single one of them. I just couldn't stand it. And it took me years to realize why. This is why. I'm not normal at all. That's why we seem weird to people. If this sounds familiar to you, neither are you. This means you're the special type of person that has the brain wiring to actually become a successful music artist. This means that you can have the fame, the money, the cars, the sex life with the hottest people you can imagine. I know it may sound like what, but that comes with it. This is part of why I made the Rapper Shortcut. But I want to let everybody know it's not for everyone. If you're not a creative person, stop watching this video, okay? Because one of the reasons it took so long and cost me over $1 million to develop the Rapper Shortcut.
Huh? You're going too far, man. God damn.
Is because every masterclass was fully organized, outlined, and created using new age, scientifically proven teaching methods.
Yes, sir.
I made all the masterclasses specifically for people who often have a hard time learning or paying attention because their minds are more creative sided than logical sided. That's why school might have been hard for you. And that's why I went into this whole thing, because the Rapper Shortcut's made specifically for music artist minded people. Only if that's you, then click on the link below this video to check out the Rapper Shortcut. Now, here's the thing, it doesn't hurt to give it a look, especially since it was made specifically for you if you actually are a creative person. If you actually feel like music's all you want to do with your life, you're a creative person. Click the link below this video and see why it cost me and my team over $1 million to create it for creative artists just like you. I think you already know it's gonna change everything for you. Either way, I'm Rob Level, keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top, all right? And remember, it's okay not to be normal. It's actually way better not to be normal. You couldn't pay me enough money to be normal because I can get anything I want simply because I'm not normal. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Level. Saving to survive.